Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are well. I am your math teacher and this is grade 5th math. So in today's video, we will learn basic concept division of 4 digit by 1 digit number. So let's get started. So you have learned how to divide two numbers using long division method. So let us divide division of 4 digit by 1 digit number. So division of 4 digit by 1 digit number. So 7555 divided by 5. So this is 4 digit. 1 digit. And this 7555 is dividend, divided by 5 is divisor. So what we have to do, we have to find the quotient. Okay, so we have to find the quotient. So let us solve this. 7555 divided by 5. So we'll start from here. Okay, so we have to check in 5 7 will come, no. Okay, if it 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Okay, so 10 will be the bigger number. So what we have to do, we have to take smaller number, that is 5 ones are 5. Okay, so 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, 2. We cannot divide 2 from 5 because it is a smaller number. So what we have to do, we have to bring the next digit down, that is 5. So now this becomes 25. So in 5 table 25 will come. Yes, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so here we have to do the subtraction. 25 minus 25, 0. Next number we have to bring down, that is 5. So in 5 table 5 will come. Yes, 5 ones are 5. So 5 minus 5, 0. We have to do subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. Next number we have to bring down, that is 5. And we have to check. In 5, when 5 will come, 5 ones are 5. So 5 minus 5, 0. So our 4 digit completed division. Okay, so our remainder is 0 and quotient is 1511. This is the answer of our quotient. So we have to erase this question mark and we have to put 1511. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is the quotient. Okay, so one more problem we will do. So 4286 divided by 2. This is 4 digit. This is 1 digit. So 4286 divided by 2. So now this is dividend. Divided by 2 and this is divisor. Now we have to find this. This will be a quotient. Okay, so let us solve this. So 1s, 10s, 100,000. Okay, so 4286 divided by 2. So we'll always start from first digit. So first digit is 4. So in 2 table 4 will come. Yes, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so next step what we have to do, here we have to do the subtraction. So 4 minus 4, 0. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to bring the next digit down, that is 2. So we have to check when 2 will come in 2 table. 2 ones are 2. So 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, so next digit is 8. So we have to bring the digit down. Now we have to check. In 2 table 4 will come. Yes, 2 4s are 8. So 8 minus 8, 0. So this is the last digit we have to bring down, that is 6. So in 2 table 6 will come, yes. 2 3s are 6. So 6 minus 6, 0. Okay. So 6 minus 6, 0. So this 0 is remainder, and 2143, this is the quotient. I should erase this and I have to put here 2143. So this is the quotient. Okay, so this is quotient. Similarly, we will do one more problem. 8444 divided by 4. Okay. So your first digit is 8. So we'll always start from here. Okay. So we have to check in 4 table 8 will come. Yes. 4 2s are 8. So what we have to do here? Here we have to do the subtraction. So 8 minus 8, 0. We have to bring the next number down, that is 4. Now we have to check. In 4 table 4 will come. Yes. 4 1s are 4. Next, 4 minus 4, 0. Subtraction part completed. Next digit we have to bring down. Again we have to check. In 4 table 4 will come. Yes. 4 1s are 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. Next number. Again we should bring it down. 4. Again we have to check. 4 1s are 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. So all digits are completed. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. So remainder is 0 and quotient is 2111. Okay. Okay, so this is division of 4 digit by 1 digit number. I have explained 3 problems to you people. So now I am giving one problem as your homework. Okay, you have to solve this in your homework notes. 2856 divided by 4. Okay, so this is your homework. So this is 4 digit by 1 digit number. Solve in your homework notes. I hope you understood today's concept. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.